Hello everyone. Today I'm here with an amazing plugin that you can find inside GPT-4. The plugin is called Meme Creator and it creates any type of meme that you want to. In order to find the meme creator, what you can do is go to this drop down menu right here inside the GPT Plus, click on it and go to plugin store right here. And inside the all section, you will find the Meme Creator plugin. It looks something like this. Right here you can see it. So make sure to install the plugin if you haven't installed it, and then I'll show you some of the amazing things that you can do with it. So right here you can see that I just passed a prompt so that ChatGPT would generate me a meme about Donald Trump. And right here you can see that ChatGPT has presented me with a funny meme about Donald Trump. It's really hilarious. So right here you can see that I passed a prompt to ChatGPT to create me a meme about Will Smith and Chris Rock, but the template's not available. So what it does is that the plugin replaces with the template that is available and anyhow provides you the meme that you want. So right here you can see that it has provided me with another meme about the topic that I just passed. So that's it. You can use this plugin in order to create the funniest memes ever, and you can post it inside your social media and get ready to dive into the world of endless laughter and hilarity as you generate these memes that will have everyone in stitches. It's time to let your comedic genius shine. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.